What's up guys, Jordan and Ashton here from Show Me Vegas, and today we're talking about Excalibur Hotel and Casino. What's the first thing you think of whenever somebody says Excalibur?
I would say maybe old, cheap, a little drab.
Rundown. Yeah, a lot of people say that. Other people say it's perfectly fine. It's a good cheap option. It's a nice budget hotel and there's nothing wrong with it. A lot of people say, I just want a place to lay my head and I'll save my money for elsewhere.
Yeah, other experiences.
So we thought we would check out Excalibur on our last trip to Las Vegas. We'd never stayed there before, so we had the opportunity to book a room through My Vegas. I don't think it cost hardly anything. We did pay the resort fee.
Fees, yeah.
We were staying actually almost right next door at Mandalay Bay, but we decided we would go down there and do this room walkthrough and just check it out for ourselves. Get a first-hand experience of what the room was actually like. That way we could offer an opinion if anybody ever asked us, and also we could share it with you guys. So,
On to Excalibur.
Medieval fanfare marked the opening of the newest hotel and the largest in the world. It was on the Strip this morning. It is the Excalibur.
Crowds were drawn to the corner of Tropicana and the Strip this morning, and it's no wonder. For months, everyone's been waiting to see how the new hotel with the King Arthur theme would turn out, and most of them weren't disappointed. Are you staying here?
No, we're staying at the Maxim.
How does it compare to the Maxim?
Well, it's not much comparison. It's really nice.
Excalibur's rooms can be found in two identical hotel towers on opposite ends of the casino floor. The Royal Tower is on the Luxor side of the building and contains the more recently renovated rooms, whereas the Resort Tower is on the pool side of the building, and that's where you'll find this walkthrough of a Resort Tower King room. All right, so there it was. First impression of the room when you got into it.
Very bare bones, I think. I think that was probably the first thing is, you know, there just wasn't a lot on the wall as far as decor or anything like that goes.
It was very dark. Of course, we did this at night, so you saw the window. It was dark outside, but the window is very small. Yeah, the elevator situation is a little bleak. It's kind of scary.
It's rough. It's a lot of graffiti on the doors.
The elevators are rough. The hallway when we got up to our room was pretty bleak and kind of dark and creepy. And we were at the very end of the hall, as you saw. That room was bigger than most of those standard king rooms because it was the last room at the end of the hall. We had that weird little
alcove
area in the back. It kind of looked like a prison cell because there were no windows in it or anything. And then you saw what was on the wall and stuff back there. But overall, I would say the room, those stains on the walls and things aside, I think the room was clean enough. If you watched it all the way through, you saw we did the bed check.
And the bed was like brand new. I mean, there was not a single stain, nothing on the mattress itself.
I think the mattress looked like it was brand new. We did that for kind of a bed bug check. A lot of people do that. Pull back the sheets, look in the crevices.
We do that everywhere. It doesn't matter where we stay.
We could be staying at the Wynn and we're going to do that because bed bugs are not, they have nothing to do with the price of the room. People bring those from all over the world.
But overall, I thought the room was actually pretty clean.
A few things notwithstanding. The bathroom was clean enough. It's just old. So definitely not our cup of tea. That's why we've never stayed there. I mean, we get our comp offers from all the MGM resorts, so we haven't made it down to Excalibur. And after seeing that room, we probably won't. But that's not to say that it's not for everyone. I mean, that room can go for as little as $25 during the week.
Which is a great deal.
Maybe maximum, even on a busy weekend, $150 on the weekend. Now you're going to add resort fees on top of that, which I think at Excalibur is $35. But all in during the week, you can probably stay there for $50. And so if you're just looking for a place to lay your head, I think you're probably going to be okay with that room. The property itself,
you know, honestly, I was talking to Jordan earlier about this. I prefer Excalibur's casino over Luxor's casino.
Yeah, Excalibur and Luxor are M Life's two kind of budget hotels, and I'd rather hang out at Excalibur any day.
I think that
over Luxor, I think it's got a much better vibe. The casino is more lively. It's laid out better. I just like the feel of Excalibur. So we've hung out there and we've gambled there quite a bit, and we've always had better luck gambling at Excalibur than anywhere else
that's true.
In the MGM portfolio. So it's definitely a place that we'll continue to go to. I just don't think we'll stay there. But now that you've seen the room, you can decide for yourselves whether you'd like to stay there.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.